Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In this video, I am going to attempt a pearl pour. We'll see how it goes. I got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. Okay, first off, let me go through the colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Permanent Rose from Winsor & Newton as my magic coat. And then also I'll be using Opera Rose from Winsor & Newton, Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics, Deco Art Sapphire, Quinacridone Magenta from Liquitex Basics, and Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, because it's awesome. Alright, I'm going to paint the edges of this canvas and then put my colors on and put the magic coat on. I got everything ready, so let's do this pour. Well, this wasn't exactly what I was going for, but hey, go with the flow, right? Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.